Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. We're going to head across the pond to the country of Hungary. This is my vacation back in July 2024. I was staying on Lake Balaton. So we had a little Appies with Chappy by the Lake Balaton edition. I made some Zageb Steak. Now Zagreb is in Croatia, which is one of the bordering countries of Hungary. Zageb Steak is the most popular dish in Croatia. Of course, it's a main course served with side dishes, but I cut it up into little pieces and made Appies with Chappy by Lake Balaton with it. So again, this dish is from Croatia. Meat dishes are popular in Zagreb and have its own steak known as Zagreb Steak, which is veal stuffed with cheese and ham and then put in breadcrumbs and fried as a Viennese steak. So see here how I made it, and then we'll head out to Lake Balaton to check it out. All right, we're going to do my Zageb Steak. I'm in the middle of rural Hungary, so I don't have a proper mallet. I would have liked the ones with the dents to make it look more like a cutlet. I just have I found this in the toolbox rubber mallet, so we'll make do with what we got. So we're just gonna pound it flat. And again, this is the #1 dish in all of Croatia. It's served as a main course, but we're going to do it in appetizer form. Okay, let me just try to find some salt to season it first. All right, this is not my kitchen, so I don't know where anything is. So we got salt, and then this is kind of like chicken Kiev or a cordon bleu, but we're gonna roll it up for the German dish that is escaping me right now. But all right, so we're gonna put the filling in before we roll it up. Maybe well, that's a little uneven here. Let's give it another pound. That's a bit better. All right, so I got some nice Gouda cheese. And then I got some ham. Couldn't find any Black Forest ham. All right, now we're gonna roll it. Okay, maybe season the outside. I'll go back and get that salt. All right, now I got to try to find some toothpicks. Toothpicks. Okay, maybe I'll bread it and then I'll put the toothpicks in. So we got some all-purpose flour, Just give it a little roll around. Oops, don't lose the fillings, Chappy. And then I got a egg and flour mix. Oops, losing the filling. All right, we'll give it a hit with some breadcrumbs. Whoopsie. All right. I'm not in my kitchen. I'm all out of sorts. All right, so normally with Zageb Steak, you're going to deep fry this and then serve it as is. Of course, take the toothpicks out and then serve it with a side dish. We are going to deep fry it, and then I'm going to try to cut it into appetizer bites. All right, I got to heat up my oil. Alright, we're just doing a shallow fry today. I put the seam side down first just to kind of seal the deal. I have no idea how long this is going to take. I kind of regretting doing the shallow fry. I think it's taking too long. I think they just deep fry that sucker. Anyways, once it's all melty, the cheese is all melty in the middle, we'll cut it up into coins. And that'll be Appies with Chappy by the lake. All right, I just cut it up and put it into Tupperware so we can take it and eat it by the lake. Now it's time for Appies with Chappy by the lake. We're going to go check out Lake Balaton. And make sure you stay till the end, where I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Fugue. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. What's that, Fugue? Fugue says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.